two dice are rolled together, the probability that the sum of the numbers obtained is divisible by 6. Suppose we roll two dice, we will get one on the suppose first die and one on the second die. It is one of the cases. Second case, we can get 1 on the first die, 2 on the second die. Similarly, 1 on the first dice, 3 in the second dice. In this up to 1 and on the second die we will get 6. Similarly, we may get 2 on the first dice, 1 on the second dice. Similarly, 2 2 up to 2 6. And in this way we will get 6 1, 6 2 up to 6 6, like this. So what we will get? We will get this one. The combination is like this. And here if you will see, in the first case, suppose 1 1 case, the sum of the numbers on the two dice will be equal to 2. And the sum of in the second case, the sum will be equal to 3. If you will see, 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3. Similarly, in the third case, it is sum is 4, 3 plus 1 is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 1 is 4, like this. And similarly, we will get this is 5. Along this diagonal, we will get the sum as 5. And here we will get sum as 6. Similarly, here sum will be 7, sum will be 8 here, sum will be 9, sum will be 10, sum will be 11, and sum is 12. That means sum will range from 2 to the minimum sum will be 2 and the maximum sum will be 12. If you roll two dice and the sum of numbers that will appear on the top face, we will have the maximum value of 12 and a minimum value of 2. And out of these numbers, only 6 and 12 are divisible by 6. Then how many combinations out of these 36 combinations we will have the sum which is divisible by 6? That we have to find out. The sum is 6. If we will see, then the number of favorable events, number of favorable outcomes for this event will be equal to number of favorable outcomes. Here is number which is divisible by 6 and the number which is divisible by 12. Number means the combination of numbers. And here you see these combinations, the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 numbers which are divisible by 6. If you will take the sum, and here if you will take the sum, then it will be divisible by 6. The number of favorable outcomes will be equal to 6. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total number of outcomes is, we know the total number of outcomes will be, outcomes is 36 total. So the probability of this event is equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. The number of favorable outcomes is 6 and number of total outcomes is 36. So if we will simplify it, we will get it is 1 by 6.